Labor Day sales starts now at Potamkin Hyundai Stone Mountain. Save thousands during our annual Labor Day sale at Potamkin Hyundai Stone Mountain. New Tucsons and Elantras as low as 1.9% APR for 60 months. Lease new 2024 Elantra as low as $179 per month. Or lease a new Tucson from $199 per month. Don't miss the chance to drive the vehicle of your dreams. During our annual Labor Day sales celebration starts now.